So we got two really unique Tesla projects here at Ceramic Pro Carlsbad. We got a Tesla Model Y with a full body vinyl, but what makes this one unique is we did another one of our signature honeycomb wraps. You can see how detailed it is here. Really give it extra style. It's something cool and unique that you just don't see every day. And from here, you know, it just really fades into the body. And then we're getting known for our purple wraps. So here's a Tesla Model X purple wrap with a nice blackout package as well. And also a Tesla Model S full vinyl, kind of murdered out package. This one's just in for a touch-up. Those other two are just completed today. So you're looking to get your Tesla serviced, styled, protected, please check out Ceramic Pro Carlsbad or Ceramic Pro shops in general throughout the country. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.